Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today, we're diving into something that can change your life. 12 simple things you can do every single day to boost your motivation and crush your goals. Let's get started. 1. Wake up. Early, picture this. The sun's just peeking over the horizon, the world is quiet, and you've got a head start on the day. That's the power of waking up early. Try setting your alarm just 30 minutes earlier than usual. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in that extra time. 2. Make your bed. I know, it sounds too simple. But trust me, starting your day with this small accomplishment sets the tone for success. Plus, there's nothing better than coming home to a tidy bed after a long day. 3. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each morning to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or as profound as a supportive friend. This practice shifts your focus to the positive and sets you up for an optimistic day. 4. Exercise. You don't need to run a marathon. Even a 10-minute workout or a brisk walk can do wonders for your energy and mood. Get that blood pumping and you'll feel ready to take on the world. 5. Read or listen to something inspirational. Feed your mind with positivity, whether it's a chapter from a self-help book, a motivational podcast, or an inspiring YouTube video, wink wink. Make time for content that uplifts and educates you. 6. Set daily goals. Before you dive into your day, take a few minutes to jot down your top 3 priorities. This clarity will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. 7. Take breaks and practice mindfulness. It might seem counterintuitive, but regular breaks actually boost productivity. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. During your breaks, practice mindfulness or deep breathing to recharge. 8. Connect with someone. Humans are social creatures. Make it a point to have a meaningful conversation with someone every day, whether it's a loved one, a colleague, or even a friendly stranger. These connections can provide support, inspiration, and new perspectives. 9. Learn something new. Challenge your brain daily. It could be a new word, a fun fact, or a skill you've always wanted to learn. This habit keeps your mind sharp and your curiosity alive. 10. Reflect on your progress. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on what you've accomplished. Celebrate your wins no matter how small, and think about what you can improve tomorrow. 11. Plan for tomorrow. Before you hit the hay, take a few minutes to plan out your next day. This simple act can significantly reduce morning stress and give you a sense of purpose as soon as you wake up. 12. Practice good sleep hygiene. Last but definitely not least, prioritize your sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep. A well-rested you is a motivated you. And there you have it, 12 simple yet powerful habits to boost your motivation every single day. Remember, you don't have to implement all of these at once. Start with 1 or 2 that resonate with you and build from there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content to help you live your best life. And hey, I'm curious. Which of these habits are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep pushing towards your dreams. You've got this.